Heart of the Hollow. First of all, happy 4th of July, but today I will be doing an unboxing video of the Mini Miners box that was sent out to the Mini Miners. So the Mini Miners Crew was a free nationwide kid program that basically you submitted an idea for the park and then you would receive a free box of goodies, and later we're going to get like a secret mission to do, something like that. But so what the box looks like, it has this cool tape for the Mini Miners Crew, and then it has this little certificate on it with your name and your address. I will be blurring that. And then Marble Cave Mining Company, and then the USPS barcode. So let's get into opening it. So the first thing we see is the hat. It comes with the light on it and the Mini Miners Crew sticker on both sides. The light does come with batteries in it. So that's pretty cool. And then the t-shirt. On the website, when you signed up, you could get this in sizes from the lowest size, I forgot what that was, all the way up to adult medium. So it's just a t-shirt with the Mini Miners Crew logo on it. And then you got a sticker to put on like your water bottle or something. And then a certificate. It reads, Mini Miners Crew Official Membership Certificate. Marble Cave Mining Company, Ozark Mountains, established in the spirit of discovery. Hear ye, hear ye. Let it known across the hills and hollers of the Ozarks that whatever your name is would go there. But my name, Eli Bruning, has been officially welcomed into the Mini Miners Crew of Silver Dollar City. From this day forward, this young miner is entrusted with helping the citizens of Silver Dollar City dream up the next great adventure to be built in our beloved mining town and discover where new treasures might be discovered in these Ozark Hills. And then it has signature from the Silver Dollar City citizens and the Marble Cave Mining Company and the logo right there. So that's everything that's in the box. So I will be keeping an eye out for what the mission is later. But yeah, and then of course there's the Mini Miners meetup with some sort of announcement on August 14th. So I will be looking forward to that. So with that, stay tuned and thanks for watching.